Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have seen standard derivatives, some standard functions, and we found out derivative in that table. And also we have seen rules of the differentiation, and we started with examples of this by examples of this derivative. So today also we are going to take some examples which are based on that rules. Okay, so today's date is 17 June. Okay, so let us take example. So question is differentiate with respect to x. So this is our question. So we have to do the differentiation. So let us take y is equal to x raised to 3 upon 2. Y is equal to x raised to 3 upon 2. So how to solve this? We have yesterday only we have seen this is in the form of x raised to n, and we know that derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So we are going to use this result only. So here in this function, what is n? N is 3 upon 2. So dy by dx is equal to, so 3 upon 2 as it is x n minus 1, 3, that is 3 upon 2 minus 1. So 3 upon 2 x raised to, so this will be after taking LCM 3 minus 2 upon 1, 2. Here LCM is 2. So 3 upon 2 x raised to 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 2. So our answer is dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 x raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So in a similar manner, we will see one more example. Y is equal to x raised to, suppose minus 5 upon 6. Minus 5 upon 6. Again we are going to use same result. So differentiate with respect to x. Here also you are supposed to write we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay. So y is equal to, so again I am not going to write this result again. So dy by dx is equal to x. Now after using this result, here n is minus 5 upon 6, x raised to minus 5 upon 6 plus 1. So minus 5 upon 6 x raised to minus 5 plus 6 upon 6 after taking LCM. So minus 5 upon 6 x raised to 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 6. So this will be minus 5 upon 6 x raised to 1 by 6. This is dy by dx. Okay. So in this way, these were the example of this type. Okay. So we will see next example. So next example, third one, y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. Y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10 is given function. So again we same question, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. Okay. So here we will start with the solution. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to Now d by dx of this whole function means we are going to take derivative of this whole function. So d by dx of, now we will separate this x square minus d by dx of 7x plus d by dx of 10. Now you know that this is in the form of x raised to n. So again we are going to use that result only. Derivative of x raised to n, we are going to use that result only, and its derivative is n x raised to n minus 1. So here derivative of this is 2x raised to 2 minus 1 minus, we will take 7 outside. So here 7 is not a constant because here x is there with it. So we will take 7 outside. So d by dx of x plus, now 10 is a constant function and we know that derivative of constant function is 0. So 2x raised to 1 minus 7 into derivative of x is 1 plus 0. So 2x raised to 1 is x only. So 2x minus 7 plus this 0 will be, this addition will be 2x minus 7 will only after adding 0 in it. So dy by dx is equal to what? 2x minus 7 is the answer. So derivative of this function is 2x minus 7. Okay. Next example. We will take now next fourth example. Y is equal to x raised to 4 upon 3 plus e raised to x minus sin x. Okay. So now this is given problem. So again we have same question, we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Solution: differentiating with respect to x. Okay. So while differentiating now, dy by dx, derivative of y is dy by dx with respect to x. Next, now derivative of this whole function, x raised to 4 upon 3 plus e raised to x minus sin x. Now we will separate this d by dx. Now after separating, now we will take derivative separately. Okay. Now d by dx of x raised to 4 upon 3. Again we are going to use that result only, x raised to n. Now I am not going to write that result again. So we will directly find out its derivative, n x raised to n minus 1 plus. Now derivative of e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only, because we have seen this standard derivative of this standard function in that table yesterday only. And now minus sign as it is. Now derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So 4 upon 3 x raised to 4 minus 3 upon 3 after taking LCM, plus this e raised to x as it is minus cos x as it is. So 4 upon 3 x raised to 1 by 3 plus e raised to x minus cos x. Okay. So this is dy by dx. This is our dy by dx. So this was some different kind of problem. So we will take next problem. So next problem, we will take next problem. Next problem is y is equal to this fifth problem, y is equal to 3 cot x minus 5 e raised to x plus 3 log x. So let us see this example. Again you have to differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this whole function 3 cot x minus 5 e raised to x plus 3 log x. So d by dx of this. Now we will separate this d by dx. So now we will take 3 outside. So d by dx of cot x minus, again we will take this 5 outside, and here also we will take 3, we will take it out. So now 3 into derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x from that table is minus cosec square x minus, we know that derivative of e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only, plus 3 into derivative of log x. We have seen in that table derivative of log x is 1 by x. So our answer will be dy by dx will be minus 3 cosec square x minus 5 e raised to x plus 3 upon x. So this is the answer. So next problem. So next problem will be based on rules of the derivatives. problem, y is equal to e raised to x into log x. Y is equal to e raised to x into log x. So yesterday we have seen that three rules. So from that we are going to use second one, because this function is in product form. There is a multiplication of these two functions. So what was that rule? If y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So we will first write differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, now we are going to use this rule. U, here u is this and here v is this function. U is e raised to x and v is log x. Okay, so first we will keep this u as it is, and we will take derivative of this v. V is what? Log x. Derivative of this v, that means derivative of log x, plus v as it is, that is log x as it is. Now derivative of u, d by dx of e raised to x. Now e raised to x as it is, derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, plus log x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. So dy by dx is e raised to x upon x plus log x into e raised to x. This is our answer. So this was the type of product of the two functions. So next we will see next example. Next example, 7th one. Seventh example, y is equal to x upon sin x. Y is equal to x upon sin x. So we know that this function is in the form of what? Quotient, and we have seen this result yesterday only. If y is equal to u upon v, then its derivative is what? dy by dx is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. This is our result of, or this is our derivative of this constant function, quotient function. So when our function is in the form of quotient, that is if we have denominator and numerator form, then we have to use this result. So we will differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is, now we know that this is u and this is v. So we just have to follow this rule. What is v here? We have to keep v function as it is. So v is sin x here. Derivative of u, that is derivative of x, minus u as it is, derivative of v. So d by dx of sin x divided by v square, that is sin square x. V square, v is sin x and its square, it will be sin square x. So sin x as it is, derivative of x is 1 minus this x as it is, derivative of sin x. What is derivative of sin x? Is derivative of sin x is cos x divided by sin square x. So dy by dx is sin x into 1 is sin x only, minus x cos x divided by sin square x. So this is our derivative of this function. So next problem. Students, if you have any doubt, message me personally anytime, and start studying from now only, because you all are in 12th standard and you have to give board exams. So next is 8th problem. Y is equal to e raised to x tan x plus cos x into log x minus root x into 5 raised to x. Root x into 5 raised to x. Now solution: differentiate with respect to x. Students, see carefully. In this problem we have this all types of functions. Here e raised to x into tan x, here cos x into log x, and here root x into 5 raised to x. There is addition and subtraction between these functions, but there is also a product in between these functions. So we will follow the rules as well as the standard functions both simultaneously. So dy by dx of this whole function e raised to x into tan x plus cos x log into log x minus root x into 5 raised to x. Now we will separate this derivative e raised to x into log x plus d by dx of cos x into log x minus d by dx of root x into 5 raised to x. Now see students, here these are two functions and there is product between these two functions. So we are going to use product rule here, here and also here. So we know that now. What is our product rule? I will write here. If y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So we are going to use our product rule. So here dy by dx, derivative of y is dy by dx, u as it is in this, u as it is, that is here u is this is u and this is v. U as it is e raised to x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of e raised to x plus, now here again here we are going to use product rule. Cos x as it is, derivative of log x plus log x as it is, derivative of cos x. Now minus here root x as it is, because here u is this and here v is this, here u is this and here v is this. So u as it is, root x as it is, into derivative of 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x as it is derivative of root x. Next, now e raised to x as it is derivative of log x, we know that it is 1 upon x plus log x as it is derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only plus cos x derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus root x as it is derivative of 5 raised to x, means this is of the form derivative of a raised to x. Students, what is derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x into log a. So this is derivative of a raised to x into log a. So this function is in the same that form only, a raised to x, 5 raised to x. So in 5 raised to x into log 5, we are using that result only, plus 5 raised to x into derivative of root x from that table, 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, so now we will simplify this. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to x upon x. E raised to x into 1 upon x means e raised to x upon x plus log x into e raised to x plus cos x into 1 upon x means cos x upon x plus log x into minus sin x, plus into minus, so this will be minus log x into sin x. Now here minus sign is here outside of that bracket, so we will multiply by this minus sign to both the functions. So this minus plus will be minus, so minus root x into 5 raised to x log 5 minus plus minus 5 raised to x upon 2 root x. This is our final answer. Here just we have multiplied by this minus sign to the whole bracket. So do not forget to this do this step. So do till the last, means most simplified form must be there in this problem. So we'll stop today here only, and in the next lecture we will start with some theorems which are important in board pattern. So students, till now if you have any doubt, message me personally and ask, or you can call also, and start studying from now only. Thank you students.